Hey guys, today I'll be showing an easy step-by-step process on how to exit a parking bay in the forward direction. Step 1. Check for other oncoming cars on the road. Step 2. Make sure your wheels are straight. Step 3. Move forward until your shoulder aligns with the front bumper of the cars beside you. Make sure to keep checking for other oncoming cars as you move forwards. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel in the direction you want to drive. Step 5. Move forward until you are parallel to the road. Step 6. Straighten your wheels. Step 7. Slowly drive out of the parking space. Congratulations! Now you know how to drive out of a parking bay if your car is in the forward direction. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.